Professor Wasswa Balunywa, the former principal of Makerere Business School, MUBS, was part of the over 12 suspects who were charged in court last week over mismanagement of 53 billion shillings that was allegedly paid to ghost beneficiaries. He did not show up last week in court, but criminal summons were issued against him. Today, when he was expected to appear, he didn't show up. His lawyer, Asuman Matovu, told court that Balunywa is unwell and that's why he never turned up. But prosecution was arguing that since he had already been served with criminal summons, thus court should decide and issue an arrest warrant. Balunywa's legal team was appearing or introducing itself for the first time to prosecution, and thus they said they have formally introduced themselves and thus should be given time to serve their client with the criminal summons that were issued, thus convinced the magistrate not to issue an arrest warrant against Balunywa. And indeed, the magistrate did not issue the arrest warrant against Balunywa and gave more time to his lawyers to serve him so that he appears in court at free will. It is alleged that between 18th and 28th of March 2023, Professor Balunywa, using his power as a principal of MUBS, appointed junior staff in an illegal manner which tantamounted into alleged abuse of office. Some of the officials who were charged last week are those that headed the human resource management at various institutions like the Uganda Police, Civil Aviation Authority, among others. Oyet Francis, a former sergeant of Uganda Police, pleaded guilty to having drawn a salary of about 20 million shillings 3 years after he retired from the force. He was remanded until a later date will be set when he will be given the sentence. Sudhir Yarhanga, NTV, Kampala.